Hi. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what logging in to the Toastmasters District 9 webpage can do for you as a district officer. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And I'm never quite sure which, okay, let's go ahead here. All right, so let me go ahead and see if I can get you to the right page. All right, using Zoom's a little harder than going to the District 9 webpage. That is for sure. So let me try that again. There we go. Now I got it. Okay. All right. Here's what you need to do first. Now I went over part of this at the DEC meeting yesterday, which would have been on the 19th of August, but this information's good anytime. So first of all, you need to log in as a district leader. So start typing your name, and your name should pop up, and then type in your password. And if you don't remember what your password is, just hit the authenticate button and it will send you a link to get logged in. Once you're logged in as a district officer, there are several things you can do. The thing that I showed you at the DEC meeting, I'll go over real quick. It was using the district calendar. So if you go to the district calendar, you will see different events in there. Kathy uses part of these for her middle of the month newsletter that she sends out that is event driven. As district officers, you can put in yourself, you don't have to wait for me to do it. You can put in any event that you are hosting for your entire division or area. You do that by simply clicking on the date that the event's going to transpire. You name the event and the description. I'm going to do a fake one here and call it TM event at, and put the time and the place. And then if it's just the one time, hit create event. Most of the time it will just be one time, and it creates the event and it will put it in the little calendar box. There we are. If you discover you need to change whenever that meeting is happening, let's say you wanted it on the 26th instead of the 12th, you just pick it up and pull it down and put it in a different spot. Okay, so I'm going to delete that event because that was just a fake one to show you how to do it. Oh, another thing that is important for you to do as a district officer, go here to where it says on District 9 Leaders Only, click on Edit Your Profile. Okay, on this first part where it says Basic Information, it will have your information. That probably the only thing that might not be on there is your phone number. It's optional if you want that there or not. Okay, the important part here, go down to where it says District Leader Bio/photo. Okay, so what you do first of all is write just a very short, you have 300 characters, well you have a limited number of characters, and I don't remember how many it is altogether. It says in about 100 words or fewer. Okay, so 100 words. It counts your characters. Anyway, write something about about yourself and maybe why you're a district officer, what your passion is for your area or your division or whatever your district office is. Make it short and sweet, and then upload a photo. Okay, so if you have Facebook or Twitter or YouTube, LinkedIn, whatever accounts that you want to share, right here's where to put them. Back in basic information. I think that the other important part right here, I think we've got everything that needs to be, right here. If this is checked, your district admin can edit your district profile for you, or here, check to be included in the public Meet Our District Leaders page. So your choice there. Click Save, and that will take care of that. I think that's the only thing I wanted to share with you right at the moment. So I will come back at a later date and give you updates on other things that you can do as a district leader. I will stop sharing my computer with you and go ahead and log out. And I will see you the next time I'm together with you in a meeting, or the next time that I make an update telling you how to do something. Thank you.